Hello guys! So, let me unplug this. Hello guys! So today we will be playing The Walking Dead. Stand up, Adrian Gang. Stand up. What'd I just say? Okay then. Then we gotta get the move straight. Let me turn off the light. Let me see. Good, good. Lights off, lights off, lights off. And I want y'all to see me do this gameplay. So we gotta have some. Gotta turn on some of the lights. Turn on this bad boy. Yeah. So we're playing The Walking Dead. This video I've been waiting to do for a long time. Alright, we're going to be playing Brand New Day, I think it's called, of The Walking Dead. Let me see if I can. Ooh. The Walking Dead! Ew! Why the fact I said ew. A New Day. Episode 1, A New Day. I thought it was a Brand New Day, but it says A New Day. Okay, graphics, crazy. Written by Scene. Directed by okay. So.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
Why, what? It says, why do you say that? You know what they say about weakening. And it also says, does it really matter? Okay.
Does it really matter?
Nah, not much. You know, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Ghostbuster shoot? Yes, sir. What do you want me to say? Not for me.
And what do you say?
Oh.
I say, yep, I know you didn't.
Okay. What? Okay.
We got what looks like a 1091E near Peachtree, exit 285.
Okay, okay.
All cars asked to keep on the lookout for 91C in the area.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
You know.
You've got an opinion then?
Wouldn't say that. I go in for that innocent till proven guilty thing, even considering who they say you killed.
Be advised, medical personnel...
I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens?
None
You
of your
want to know
business.
how I see it?
I got much choice?
Sure don't. Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
Can you mind your business?
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older
Did
fella,
I
big soft
ask
eyes
him?
behind a pair of smart folk glasses.
Yeah,
He
he
just
didn't
wailing
do it.
back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're
All
sitting.
officers are available for incoming 212.
Good, and I'm moving my seat.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop. That's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama,
Mommy.
it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
So did he do it?
They caught the red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious, if I do say so.
Watch out!
This other time...
Dang! I know y'all saw. Look at all those zombies, bro. Y'all heard them screaming because the zombies like attacked them. You hear it? Make sure y'all wearing headphones, bro.
Oh! Thirsty. Ah! Fuck! My leg.
Oh, chops my ass. Why is he posed like that?
What? He have his gun out.
Hey! Hey, officer! Are you alright? I'm still cuffed back here! Officer?
Oh, that doesn't look good. He wasn't ejected from the car. He's not moving. He must have the handcuff keys on him. He must have the handcuff keys on him. He must have the handcuff keys on him.
Okay. The freak I do. We're gonna keep pressing that. We're gonna keep pressing that. We're gonna keep pressing that. Yeah. Gonna get out.
I need to drag myself out that window.
Okay, now do it. Hey. The freaky jump out the window like that for? See? Making me cough and stuff. He's like, scoot, and scoot, and scooty, scooty, scoot. Go and limp yourself over there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go over here to the officer.
Officer? God damn.
Get the
Officer?
key. Officer? God dang. The officer's a little cooked. Get the key.
Damn.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. There we go. Get the keys. How you gonna drop the key? Let's be so for real. Why was he so scared? He's dead. Okay, we got the key. Cool. Now, do the next one and don't drop it this time. The freak wrong with you?
Officer?
Holy shit! What in the hell?
Bruh. Get the freaking ammo and get the shotgun. That's what we need to do. Now get the freaking shotgun. Look over here. Get the shotgun.
Get away from me! Shit.
Get it.
this!
Don't make me do it. Just like that, clean.
Man. His skin's all rotten and he smells like shit. What the hell is this?
Help! Go get someone! There's been a shooting!
It's a zombie, bro. Go. What is man keep fumbling? Get leg cook, but you get hop effects.
Hello? Anybody?
Hello, hello, hello. Anybody? Buddy. Hello, hello, hello.
Anybody up there? Hello? Anybody in there?
I thought I saw a little girl in the forest.
Are you up there? I'm not one of those things.
I guess it's empty. No ladder. I'm not getting up there anyway. This leg the way it is. I'd fill one of those teacups with some bourbon if I could.
Help!
Alright, stop screaming. You're doing too much now. Hello, what's over here?
Maybe I'll just go for a dip.
Alright. Maybe not. How about that? Maybe not. Let's not go for a dip.
Hello? Anybody home? I need a little help.
Ain't nobody in the house.
Coming in. Don't shoot, okay?
How you gonna tell somebody not to shoot when you're coming in their home? How is it so bright outside?
Hello?
When it was not that bright when he was out
Not
there.
an intruder. Or one
I
of
don't
them.
want to know. I really do, but I don't. I do, but I don't.
These people might need more help than I do.
Look at the bowl of food.
It's fake. Damn. Jesus.
Hold on, let me explore. Let's be so Oh my god, I gotta check all this.
The Marsh House. That's a Savannah area code. But that's the type of note you'd leave a babysitter.
Why would you just drink something that you don't even know what's in there? Who had the lips on that? What was put in that? Like, bro. Bro just drunk
What's that beeping?
the phone.
3 new messages. Message 1, left at 5:43 p.m.
Hey, Sandra. This is Diana. We're still in Savannah. Ed had a little incident with some crazy guy near the hotel, so we had to get him back to the ER and have it checked out. Anyway, he's not feeling well enough to drive back tonight, so we're staying an extra day. Thanks so much for looking after Clementine, and I promise we'll be back in time before your spring break.
Message 2, left at 11:19 p.m.
Oh my god, finally. I don't know if you tried to reach us. All the calls are getting dropped. They're not letting us leave and aren't telling us anything about Atlanta. Please, just leave the city and take Clementine with you back to Murrieta. I've got to get back to the hospital. Please let me know that you're safe.
Message 3, left at 6:51 a.m.
Clementine, baby. If you can hear this, call the police. That's 911.
It's really touching my heart, bro.
We love you. We love you. Daddy?
Huh?
Daddy?
Hello?
You need to be quiet.
What's going on, bro? What's going on? Okay, who is this?
Who is this?
I'm Clementine. This is my house.
Hi, Clementine. I'm Lee.
You're not my daddy.
No, I'm not.
Clementine. Oh, dang. Where are your parents? How old are you?
How old are you?
8.
And
Eight
you're
is
all
crazy.
alone?
Yes. I don't know where anybody is. How old are you?
I'm, 37.
I'm
Okay.
36. No, maybe stop.
Where are your parents?
They took a trip and left me with Sandra. They're in Savannah, I think. Where the boats are?
Are you safe? Where are you?
Are you safe?
I'm outside in my treehouse. They can't get in.
That's smart.
See? Can you see me? I
Oh,
can
that's
see
that
you through
girl
the
that
window.
was in the woods. Clementine. So, Clementine. Lady, move! Already? Dang! Oh! We got action already? We gonna start doing a fall count. Back. This man done felt like 27 times. Yeah. Ooh, that look nasty. Ooh, should I blow that out? Ooh.
Man,
Now I'm gonna keep it in. I'm not gonna blow it out. Nah,
Hi
I'm
there.
not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep that in. I'm gonna keep that in. I'm gonna be naughty today. I'm keeping that in.
Did you kill it?
Look at the. Yes, I did.
Yes.
It's okay. I think she was a monster.
You think?
I think so too.
You think?
You've been all by yourself through this?
Clementine over.
Yeah,
Over that.
I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while. You know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened,
Yeah, your parents are dead.
but I'll look
That's
after you
fine.
till then.
I'm your daddy.
what should we do now?
Look for help before it gets
We
dark.
need to find help before it gets dark.
Yeah,
You chose
it's
a
not
safe
safe at
seat.
night.
I know it is. What?
Let's
I
go.
know it is.
Stay close to me.
Wait, I know it is. I know it is. I don't know. I just know it's not safe at night. Clementine! Where are you going, bro?
Oh, man. I ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate.
This sucks.
Oh, it's hot dish night.
Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
No.
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
Yeah.
They won't. We should go.
Then they'll find me, right?
I won't leave you alone, okay?
Yeah, they'll find you. They'll find you, alright? They'll find you, alright?
Hey, man!
Holy shit!
Don't eat us! We're not gonna hurt you.
Yeah. Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
How when I just talked?
Do you know what the hell this is?
No idea. So you've seen them then?
You could say that.
I'm Sean. Sean Green.
Lee, this is Clementine.
Clementine!
I'm Chet.
We shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm.
that's not-
It
that's
should
not-
be safer there.
That's not
I'm
my
not
daughter.
her dad.
I.
Just some guy.
Some guy?
Yeah.
She's alone? Let's get going. Staying put for too long is a mistake.
What do you want to do?
I.
Them monsters come out.
We gotta go. Lee, quick. Let's go.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Come on, bud.
For just some guy, seems like you saved a bunch of lives today.
Great driving skills. Great driving skills.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna run on home. My mama's gonna be in a snit.
No sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice. To
No
meet
sweat,
you
man.
both.
I'll catch you 999. Okay.
Thank God you're okay.
I was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days.
Who that, his
Down the way
grandpa?
thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then.
Hi, Grandpa.
You've brought a couple guests.
Your boy's a lifesaver.
Glad he could be a help to somebody. So it's just you and your daughter then?
Oh, not his daughter. He's, well, just some guy who found her alone.
Honey, do you know this man?
Yes.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Yes, I did.
Yeah,
I did.
it's not doing so good.
I can help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You
Run
take the seat
on
up on
in
the
and
porch and I'll go see what I have. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
It hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Green.
So, Herschel.
How'd this happen?
Car accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
I have no idea.
Nowhere. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
I was with a police officer. He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
House is full up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there when we're done here.
That's not my
I
daughter.
didn't get your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Yep.
Hey, Dad.
Oh,
so I'm
that's his
thinking,
dad.
first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
Your son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
I got chased by a couple of dead people.
Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of chores as it is.
Lee and those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay. Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Thanks.
If your leg gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
What do we do then?
We'll probably just have to shoot you. We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
You ain't gonna shoot nobody.
Okay, that'd be
If I had my gun, that
There's
is
blankets
put
and
up,
such in the barn.
I
We'll be
w-
seeing you
I
bright
would've-
and early.
I would have.
Come tomorrow,
you
which
know.
way you think you're headed?
You know I'm Mexican.
Towards Macon, I suppose. All right then.
We Lily sleeping in a bone bed.
It smells like...
I know what it smells like.
duty. I missed my mom and dad.
I bet, Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Why his
Pretty
eyes
far.
look like
Oh.
he's a...
Okay.
I love you, baby.
Hey, get up.
Well, we're gonna end it right here, guys. You know, part 2 tomorrow. Part 2 tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like button, and go ahead and share this video, and go ahead and save it. Do a good save, and make sure you subscribe too. Peace out, guys. See y'all in my next video. Will be part 2 of this. And I love y'all. And I'm out. Peace out.